Windows Repair Bootable USB. Comes with quick boot instructions. Dual connector for modern PCs and for legacy older PCs. Let's plug it in. Turn on the PC. Start tapping the boot key. Select USB device either under legacy or under UEFI. Both should work. Now, while most of the tools on the USB are for standard 64-bit CPU PCs, it does, however, include Windows 11 ARM64 installer. Otherwise, everything is nicely categorized. WinPE Windows Rescue environment for malware removal, data recovery, disk management, boot repair, and so on. Legacy Windows tools for older Windows environments. Windows account recovery utilities, and Windows installers. Let's go ahead and reinstall Windows 10. Press enter again, and again. Click next, then click install now. On this screen, choose custom install Windows only advanced. Select the correct destination drive and delete its existing partitions. One by one, select each partition and then click delete. When only unallocated space remains on the selected drive, click next to begin installation. When Windows begins its first restart, unplug WinRepair USB so that installation continues from internal drive. Leave USB disconnected while Windows completes setup. Once you reach Windows Desktop, reconnect it if you need the included drivers, tools, or other utilities.